Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we shall talk about a super fun thing, a makeup kit for kids. Look at these bright colors, so pretty and exciting for little ones. There's a cute pink mirror perfect for seeing how cool you look. Let's start with the sparkly eyeshadows. They shine like stars. Now the lip gloss, it's like magic, makes your lips all shiny. These are safe for kids, so no worries, parents. See these tiny brushes, they are just the right size for little hands. Let's not forget the nail polish. Imagine having a mini spa day at home with this kit. So much fun. It's like painting but on your face. How cool is that? So no need to worry about messy fingers or faces. The makeup kit comes in a lovely box, great for storing everything. I love the cute stickers included. You can decorate your makeup kit. Parents, it's a creative and safe way for kids to play with makeup. Look at these teeny palettes. They are like a rainbow in a box. The makeup kit is compact so you can take it anywhere. Kids, it's like having a beauty salon right in your hands. Let your imagination run wild. Create your own makeup styles. Don't forget to share your makeup adventures with us in the comments. This kit is perfect for little makeup artists in the making. The colors are so vibrant. It's like a magical painting set. It's a fantastic way for kids to express themselves creatively. It's a mini makeover, delightful to way to introduce kids for the world of beauty safely. Get ready to transform into magical creatures with these colors. The brushes are soft and gentle, just like a fairy's touch. The makeup kit is a mini wonderland for creative minds. Parents join in the fun. It's a bonding experience for everyone. The makeup kit is like a treasure chest filled with beauty delights. The makeup kit is a gateway to a world of imagination. Thank you so much.